Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we review the latest and greatest kitchen gadgets. In this video, we are going to compare two of the most popular air fryer ovens in the market. Before we dive into the comparison, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Starting with the price, the brand name 1 Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven is priced at price $1, while the brand name 2 Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer Oven is priced at price $2. Both air fryer ovens have a 6-in-1 functionality that includes air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. So in terms of functionality, both of these gadgets are pretty similar. Both of these air fryer ovens use Even Crisp technology, which drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. However, the brand name 2 also comes with an added feature of clear cook window and internal light to easily monitor cooking progress without opening the basket. The brand name 2 air fryer oven has a built-in, replaceable air filter that removes odors during cooking to reduce lingering cooking smells, which is not present in the brand name 1 air fryer oven. Both of these air fryer ovens have non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry baskets and trays, making the cleaning process quick and easy. Both air fryer ovens have a customizable recipe app, fast preheating, and built-in safety features. However, the brand name 1 air fryer oven has a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while the brand name 2 air fryer oven is equipped with an odor erasing filter and a clear cook window with internal light. There you have it, folks. We hope this comparison helped you decide which air fryer oven is best suited for your needs. So which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this.